Welcome to this little visit tour through Jumeirah Islands. So this has just had the most incredible success story of all. Jumeirah Islands villas used to, at the beginning, years ago, 12 years ago, 13 years ago when I first came to Dubai, they were selling from 4 million. And today you're very, very unlikely to find a villa for much less than 12 million, and it won't be in a great state, or it will be an awful view. But just check out, this is Jumeirah Islands, and obviously, you know, as the name denotes, lots of islands. So the villas are actually around clusters, lots of water, and you know, most people have a water view. It isn't a beach, it is a water view. But what is essentially happening in Jumeirah Islands is pretty extraordinary. You've got all these houses that are being taken down, fully renovated, and you know, sold with the most incredible renovations. I mean, there's one developer that's done over 100 houses in Jumeirah Islands alone, and you know, they know exactly what you want. You want modern, you want you know, smart living, all the mod cons. And that's exactly what they're handing over. And of course, you are just behind Jumeirah Lakes Towers, which is basically essentially just behind Dubai Marina and the beach. So the location couldn't be better. Jumeirah Islands here, you have a fabulous an array of amenities. You've got the new Jumeirah Islands Beach Club, which is very, very popular. Anyone can come into that, and it's got cafes, licensed bars, pubs, etc. And then you've got tennis courts here. You've got paddle tennis, you've got kids parks, and you know, this is the neighborhood of Jumeirah Islands, as you know, you're checking out my video right now. So it's very green, lots of space. Each little kind of, shall we say, cul-de-sac of villas is called a cluster. So you've got 30 clusters, and you know, there's lots of development still going on. You can even see villas over there that are being built. And you'll have noticed also that I have a villa that has just come on the market as well, an absolutely extraordinary villa for 32 million dirham. So it's you know, it's just one of these areas that's really sought after. It's in what we call the Greater Emirates living area. That's another cluster there. But just check out, you know, they're all detached houses. Most of them now have swimming pools, and if they don't, it's simply because they're being renovated. There are lots of walking paths, running tracks, and the roads are wide. It's very quiet. There's no fast roads going around. There's no cables. You know, all the things that people are requesting. And as I, you know, drive here, can you see just absolutely gorgeous? Those are your views. So a lot of people actually moved away from the Palm Jumeirah to Jumeirah Islands because, you know, obviously the Palm Jumeirah was commanding such high prices, and they could sell their villas there and then come over here for a fraction of the price. And then of course those people have in due course renovated and done up their homes. So this is really just a drive through to give you a visual for those of you that see listings online, you're interested, but you actually have no clue what the area looks like. I have properties for sale. I can find you any house anywhere in the city, but certainly here in Jumeirah Islands for under 20 minutes. So for any of your real estate requirements, just get in touch with me in Jumeirah Islands. I'm just going to drive through, you know, I've just picked a random cluster here. This is cluster 32, and let's just show you when you enter a cluster, you know, it's literally a little cul-de-sac, and you've got usually about 10-12 detached villas all in a circle around this lovely little quiet green area in the middle. So just, it does actually really remind me of home in England. So that's, you know, your typical villa there. They're all detached villas, and some of these will have, you know, most of these will have water views. And if they're not renovated, as you can see there, you see that's the original villa, that yellow one, and then next door that is under renovation, and then the one next to it, that's gorgeous, that's had a full renovation. There we go, that's an original again. So just to really give you an idea of what it looks like here in the clusters. And yeah, I mean, it's just a question of what you can find for where at what price. A lot of the renovations have now been done, and also the price per square foot of the renovations has gone up dramatically by the developers. They're not stupid. They obviously have recognized there's a huge demand. Everybody and his right hand man is coming in to do renovations, so you're not the only one with that idea anymore, I'm afraid. You're quite late to the party, shall we say. You know, there's a lot of new developments coming because, quite frankly, people don't want the original house designs anymore. Anyway, from me to you, thank you so much as always for watching my YouTube videos, and hopefully that's given you a bit of an idea as to what Jumeirah Islands looks like. Get in touch with me. My link is below to my WhatsApp, and I'm happy to help you find any villa here. And if you're sitting abroad watching this and you don't know how to buy a property, do you need a bank account, how do you involve lawyers, etc., etc., I can answer all of those questions very quickly. And I've been living here 13 years myself, bought a property, doubled my money, and helping you do the same. If you're an investor, if you're an end user and you want a home, I'm also here to help you do that. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you one-to-one soon. Et oui, bien sûr, je parle français, donc je suis là à votre disponible, et hablo español también, entonces si queréis mi ayuda en español también. Gracias, hasta luego.